Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MON token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, MON is a high performance layer 1 blockchain that aims to address the scalability limitations of existing networks, particularly Ethereum, while maintaining full compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine EVM. This means developer can deploy their existing Ethereum smart contracts and use familiar tools like MetaMask on Monad without modification. Monad MON is a high performance Ethereum compatible layer 1 blockchain designed for scalability, combining Ethereum's developer ecosystem with innovations in speed and decentralization. Monad positions itself as an Ethereum successor for high performance decentralized apps, blending EVM familiarity with next generation scalability. Its success hinges on attracting developers and users to its ecosystem. Will Monad's technical edge translate into sustained adoption against Ethereum's L2s and revival like Solana? Monad project institution rating is 3.8. Monad token total supply is 100 billion and circulating supply is around 10.83 billion MON token. MON token is listed on Coinbase exchange, Bybit, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.